Hey YouTube, I just got the newest update in Delta Executor, and in this tutorial video guys, I'm going to tell you how you can get the newest version of the Delta Executor along with the several scripts such like the Red Hub and other one, so that you can execute scripts without hectic part of the key, and you can get install the Delta Executor directly on your iOS without side loading, without jailbreak. So guys, what you need to do is pretty simple. You need to open up your web browser, and over the web browser you need to go to the robloxing.com. So guys, make sure you're spelling it right. That's robloxing, okay? And here you are gonna see the options for the Delta Executor, Robux scripts and other executors. You need to tap on the top one, which is Delta Executor, and it will open the page like this one here. Okay, and this is the page where you need to enter your Roblox username so that system could connect with the Delta Executor API. And my Roblox username is NoForReady, as you can see here. Tap on connect account after that, and it will get connect you with the Delta Executor server. And now you can see the account has been connected, and the last update is 13th of August. Okay, now that's the part where you need to tap. That's the import newest update of the Delta Executor. Tap over here, and if you want to get the scripts for free without the key, with just single key, tap on them like the Red Hub, Overflow, Forge Hub, Nike, Seluna and all. Tap on continue after that, and wait till the system get connect with the Delta Executor API and get you generate the installer of the Delta Executor for the iOS and Android device guys. And that's how you can actually do that. As you can see, the API has been connected for the user, and here is the activation key. You can see, but the last 2 digits of the activation key is been hidden. What we need to do is pretty simple. Tap on the Google reCAPTCHA given after that, and after the verification process you will get unlock the Delta Executor key and installer. And this is the Delta Executor security gateway. You can see guys, here you need to install 2 free apps or participate in survey. And once you go with the app, you need to run it for 30 seconds after you install that. And if you got any question, you will see the tutorial video also being given over here. So guys, that's how you can do that. Make sure you install it and run it for 30 seconds, and you will get installed the Delta Executor on your home screen like this one here. And you will get the newest version with just single key. You will get the scripts and Delta Executor along with it. Okay, let me join the Bloxroot server again here so that I can show you how you can use the Delta Executor actually. Now joining the Bloxroot server, and we'll show you how you can actually execute the script using the Delta Executor over your mobile devices, no matter you are using iOS or Android device. Even you can do that on PC too. And here is the Delta Executor menu part. You can see guys, let me execute the on-screen keyboard by executing it. Here you can see guys. Okay, now let me show you how you can get it. Okay, search for the game for which script you want, and I just search for the box and tap over here. You will see the option for execute selected script. Tap on execute selected script and you are all good to go. You will see the script has been executed successfully, and that's how you can actually use it. So guys, enjoy the tutorial video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, and don't forget to share among your friends if they also needed it. Thanks for watching guys.